Recently, I travelled to the South Island of New Zealand and hiked the popular Hooker Valley track in Mount Cook National Park. The track leads up the Hooker Valley, along the Hooker River, and ends at the Glacier Lake, right below amazing views of Mount Cook, the tallest mountain in New Zealand. Along the way, you'll encounter swing bridges, picturesque icebergs, glaciers, and majestic mountains that will have you reaching for your camera at every turn. I used a GoPro Hero 10 to capture my cinematic video footage. Here are 5 tips for capturing cinematic video footage while hiking as a solo creator. In this shot, I'm panning from left to right, showing the hikers walking on the trail and where they're headed to walking up the valley. Instead of focusing on one scene, pan from left to right, right to left, top to bottom, or bottom to top. In this video footage, I zoom in on the sign while walking towards it, holding the camera in front of me. When taking still pictures with your camera, you can zoom in or zoom out using your video editing software. Capture contrasting landscapes to show viewers the type of terrain you're hiking in. For example, here's a shot of the mountains contrasted with the glacier lake beneath them. Try to think of your shots ahead of time so you can make a smooth transition from one scene to the next. For example, in this clip, I show Mount Cook and the Glacier River, then pan over to the swing bridge that crosses the river. Besides picturesque landscapes, you want to get detailed shots, such as the wind blowing through this grass. Here's a detailed shot of the icebergs. And here's a close-up shot of people walking the trail. Your viewers will be amazed at the stunning video footage you've captured with your camera, but if you want to get them even more involved in your video, you want to tell a story. In this video, I told a story of how I hiked the Hooker Valley track in Mount Cook National Park of the South Island of New Zealand by hiking along the Hooker Valley River and ending at the Glacier Lake beneath Mount Cook, the highest mountain in New Zealand. And next, if you want to learn 5 ways I filmed cinematic action footage with my GoPro while hiking the Smoky Mountains, watch the video on the screen right now. You'll be glad you did.